Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, let us see today what your partner is going through and what they are thinking about you right now and what you are thinking about your partner. Friends, if you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. See the partner at present. Again, the same things are coming in your partner's family life at present. There is lot of conflicts going on, a lot of arguments. I still see, though your partner wants to have peace at present, but the peace situation is not established at present in your person's life, and your person and the third person both are working towards maintaining peace, but the peace is not coming in their life at present. Both are working very hard, but there is lot of conflicts I see in your person's life at present. I see a renewal in your person's life because a new life I see for your person, and both of you, since you are watching this video, I feel a new life is coming for you. Whatever you are thinking, the angel will provide you. Just see the angel over here, and they are looking at you. Your angel wants to help you to unite definitely, but at present the situation, your person is very defensive. Nine of Wands card is coming, so your person don't know what to do, and your person is feeling very defensive at present. They are not able to make a decision. They are trying to protect themselves, or they may be trying to protect you at present, I think so, because there are a lot of questions, lot of pressures on your person's mind at present. Because of that, they have become very protective and very defensive. But definitely the four of wands card is coming, and the person definitely thinks of establishing a long term relationship with you, and moving ahead in life with you, because divine also wants this only. Four of wands is a card of permanent union, permanent celebration or marriage or something like that. This is definitely on a person's mind, but at present they are very defensive. At present they are very defensive. See how a person is feeling right now. Completely they are not feeling good. They are awake at night and not sleeping. They are feeling very bad right now, and feeling very nostalgic. They don't know what to do. They are having lots and lots of fears right now, sleepless nights completely. They are complete continuous in their thoughts only. They are thinking a lot, and now at present they are not feeling good at all. Whatever thing anyone is offering them, they are not liking it. Even if you are not trying to talk to them or offering something, they are not feeling good at present. So it's better to leave them little alone, because they need some space right now. Your partner wants little space right now. They are not feeling good. They are not in a good mood right now. They are not in a acceptance mode right now. Their ego is definitely getting shattered, and they want to get free from this all these things that have trapped them, third party or situation. Whatever has trapped your partner, or responsibilities, whatever that has trapped your partner wants to come out of this. And because of that, they are not having sleepless nights right now, and they are feeling irritated, and they are not accepting anything, or they are not in the mood to talk to anyone right now. Your person wants to move out of this all these things that is bothering them. The eight of cups, a person is moving out of things that are not serving them in life, so they want to move and make big changes in their life. Definitely they are prioritizing their life and what is important in their life. They know that, and they are analyzing that, and they are moving out of these situations. Definitely they are moving out of the situation, because this is written in the person's destiny. Their wheel have fortune, the wheel has started moving, and they want change, and this wheel wants change, wants to bring change in your personal life, a very positive change in your life also. Even if you are watching, I see a change coming in your life definitely, and your wish fulfillment, both of yours and your partner's wish fulfillment. Both of your wishes will come true. Whatever dreams you have thought about, that will be fulfilled. A good magical time, magical life I see both of you achieving in the life. Now see what's the love feeling of your partner. So your partner is waiting right now. At present your partner is waiting for something to happen in their life. At present they are thinking a lot, and they want to come and discuss with you, but or maybe they must be discussing with the third party or some other person. They are definitely talking something about very important thing they are discussing right now, because a person wants to balance things in life. They want to come and offer their pentacles to you and balance the things, because their desire is you, because they desire you a lot. Just see, they want this love with you. That's the thing. That's because of that the person is waiting for that to happen, and they want to balance all these things in life, and they have a strong desire for you. That's for sure. But right now again I see some kind of tower falling on you. I don't know, maybe if your person all of a sudden approaches you, maybe you will feel a kind of shock or something like that, because I see a person coming towards the king of arrows, is a person of action person, though they are thinking of taking action, and this will shock you completely. This will shock you completely. I don't see anything negative in this, but I feel you will be completely shocked, because a person will approach you and you will see this person has completely changed. You will not believe that person has changed so much. You will see a complete new version of your person. That I feel you will feel that you will see a complete new person in your life. See, at present you are feeling very depressed, and you must be having lots of fears, but I see a person coming and consoling you and giving you some support, emotional support, and love support. I see coming love support coming from your partner, and this will completely shock you, because nine of cups, this is only a wish fulfillment, and your wishes will be fulfilled definitely, because you are also keen of staves, the queen of king of arrows, and both are action cards are coming. So definitely you are also waiting for your pot to be filled and your partner to come and fill this pot, and your wishes will be definitely fulfilled. And though you are crying right now, but I see a person coming and consoling you. Say this five of arrows, this cards has come into reverse. So whoever the person was stopping your person from coming, they will not be able to stop your person right now, because this has come into a reverse. So they will not be able to stop your person at all. Just see how this person is stopping your person from coming towards you, but this has come into reverse. So now they can't stop your person anymore, because your person knows who is my true love, and definitely come and console you. They will definitely offer you some kind of love. I see some kind of love between both of you. Definitely I see some kind of love happening between you. And queen of coins, I see your, though you were depressed with this card has also come into reverse. Your depression going out, you coming out of those fears and everything. I see this kind of things happening into your life at present. Yeah, see all positive cards. Wow, what a beautiful and wonderful cards have opened. Light, love begins, and harmony. I see a hope. Light is a card of sun card and a hope card. I see a strong light of positivity entering your life, because a love is going to begin in your life. If this person is not coming, definitely a new love also can come into your life. I see a strong possibility of new love also coming into your life, but your love life will definitely start. I can see that. And a harmony, you will achieve a harmony or you definitely achieve reunion with your person, or some kind of a harmony between both of you. I see that coming in your life. Let's see also positive light card, love begins, harmony. These all are so positive cards. Definitely you, this is a card of lovers card. You can say that within 6 months I see both of you uniting together, and your love beginning, and a new light coming in both of yours life. Oh, wow, what a wonderful card. So friends, who like my reading, and please like my reading, please like and subscribe.